Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to uninstall Google Drive on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing you're going to need to do is sign out of Google Drive. So if you actually come down to the bottom right hand corner and you want to click onto this little arrow which says show hidden icons if it's not showing up down here, and then you'll see the Google Drive icon here. So you just want to right click and then come to the settings button, which is this little gear icon up here. Give that a click and then go into exit. And then just click that again to make sure that's disappeared from the task manager. So once that's done, what you then need to do is come down to the search bar down here and you want to type in there remove programs, and then if you actually look at the top under best match, it should come up saying add or remove programs with this little settings icon here. So you just want to give that a click to open up your program list. And then to actually uninstall it, what you want to do is you can either scroll through the list and locate it that way. You can see it there, Google Drive. Or what you can do is just click the search box up here and then type something like Drive. And you'll see that's going to bring it to the top of the list, like so. All you would simply do from here is click onto Google Drive and you'll see a uninstall button come up. Go ahead and give that a click. And it's going to come up with a permission, so you just want to click yes and then click the blue uninstall button. And it's just going to take a minute or two to go through. And you'll see it's going to come up saying Google Drive was uninstalled. So you just want to click the blue close button. And you'll see that's now been uninstalled from your PC. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.